championship with the Carolina Panthers. We were the number 1 seed. We almost lost to the New York Giants, but we pulled it out at the end to make it to the conference championship. One game away from the Super Bowl. Boy, Super Bowl, 1 game away from the Super Bowl. Let's go get that Super Bowl. Let's go get the Super Bowl first in the conference championship game. Skip weekly strategy. We're just gonna do offense first. And this is your Carolina Panthers. We are in the conference championship. Okay, here we go. We are on offense first. We have Tyler Algier back. That's a big plus because we missed him last week.
Starting the drive with Algier. And ball and managed to get a couple.
Algier only gets about 2 yards, but that's a good 2 yards. We got our Marquise Williams back. Marquise Brown is back. All my other receivers are back. Love it, love it, love it.
Tagovailoa to throw on 2nd down here.
Man, the corner was right there. 3rd and 8.
At that time, there's not much of a window to get the ball in there, and it winds up incomplete. That's what we know.
5 yards.
He gets this only to the 41, not near enough for the first.
Let's see if we can get this to.
Here we go on 4th down with Tua.
Yep. The fast tight end, Marquise Brown, baby. Marquise Brown.
Algier going straight ahead.
Oh, they are.
So turning the corner, he can only get back to the line of scrimmage. 2nd and 10 coming up.
One of our linemen is hurt. They're double covering up.
Tua sets up to pass it.
Tua with a nice. Tua is a nice pocket presence here. Ooh, our left tackle. We need 2 yards for the first.
Good job there, though, holding him for a short gain. Algier will try to pick it up.
Algier with it. First step. We needed 2. We got 5. We needed 2 yards. We got 5 yards.
Well, stick with Algier.
I don't know how Algier got out of that tackle. I really don't know how he got out of that tackle. Alright, let's try this play. I'm doing drag. I love doing drag. Oh, come on! That linebacker almost killed me. Almost killed me right there.
The defense had other ideas. Trying to mount a small stand before this drive reaches the end zone.
Wow, I am getting sad. 3rd and 10, huh? 3rd and 10.
Come up with a high percentage play call and see if they can get their offense back on track.
I do not want to take a field goal here.
Throwing is Tagovailoa on 3rd down here.
And it looks like I have to take a field goal.
just what Seattle was hoping for. The coverage holds, and
The
now
coverage.
fourth down.
We are on the board. We are on the board first with the field goal. I hope our defense can stop. And our defense does hold. We get a stop from the defense. Let's see if we can run the ball here.
First down, they'll start it out.
Yep. They're not letting me run the ball. Ooh, Algier is getting a little tired.
A loss results there. Here's a deep shot that's complete. There goes offside.
You don't press cover. You don't press cover a guy with 98 speed. There's no way you can catch up to a 98 speed guy. Come on now. And they threw an interception. We're up by the tight end.
After the turnover, it's Tua.
No linebacker is gonna stay with the guy.
Made sure he secured the catch, and then anything after that, we count that as a bonus. And indeed, he gets enough for the first down.
Tight end, Tyler Algier, baby. A rushing touchdown. Just like that, we're up 17-2. 7. Man, I love Tyler Algier, man. He was a great pickup.
On first and 10, it's Algier.
Look at the running move. Dodging and weaving and dodging through the line up. Great offense. Oh, we have found stars. Alright, here we go. And we get a catch by Jameson Williams. 34-yard gain by Jameson Williams. Jamal Williams. Oh.
Algier now up the middle. They'll get him down after a pickup of 8, 2nd and 2. And now it looks like they're going to be in the area. Here's Algier again on 2nd down.
What did that guy come
From
from?
the 20 to the 19. I haven't been a defense coordinator yet. That thinks 2nd and 2 is a fun situation.
Here we go.
Playbook is wide open for an offense partner. Nice job holding to 1 after that 8-yard pickup on first down.
Oh, take a pat down.
It's into the 7. Now the Panthers going to use the first of their timeouts as they'll stop it with just over 40 seconds to go in the first half.
I'm hoping he can get open.
Here's Tagovailoa to throw. And it's caught.
Come on. Oh. So close. We were so close.
On 2nd down, Tua.
And Tua with another touchdown pass to the slot receiver. And they just, and the Seahawks just won't stay down. I'm still up by 10 points.
And they're just going to run it here up the middle. That's to about the 28. 2nd down coming up.
62 yards on the ground for Tyler Algier. He does have 1 touchdown run, so that's great.
Let's get back to it. Welcome back.
And we received the ball in the second half.
Number 3 alongside
And we are in the end zone. Let's see if we can get any kind of yards. Alright, here we go. We are up. 12 rushes, 62 yards, 5.1 yards per carry for Tyler Algier. This is going to be the Tyler Algier. Oh, Tyler Algier, 92 yards on 13 carries. Yeah. Our running back is getting hot. We're going to go to the
yeah, maybe should have tapped out, had a second back come in and maybe make that run. Who knows?
Okay, here we go.
Down to it.
And he drops it.
Nice job of bodying him up defensively, and now it brings up third down.
Come on, Tyler, you gotta catch that. How you gonna drop that ball?
They'll run for it with Algier.
Algier is getting hot, man. I'm telling you. Underrated. I'm telling you. Oh, did he just miss that? Come on, man. You gotta make that catch.
Let alone getting two hands around it, hugging it to your body, and absorbing the hit. Even for those big tight ends, who you think can absorb that contact. 40 yards the game.
Oh, here we go.
Third down. Well, you do read man coverage, Brandon. The drag routes are pretty good when you run against it because you're running away from people.
We need 6 yards for the first down.
Third down. Here's Algier.
We get it. We get it, we get it, we get it. And Tyler Algier again with the knife. Nice breaking the tackle. Man.
They are handling their business at the line of scrimmage and dominating right now.
I like those.
Setting a throw on first down is Tua.
Oh, big man is Mingo. Mingo is wide open, baby. We are on 2nd and 2, and we are 2nd and goal.
On the gear, it's Algier. He's able to get it down to the 2-yard line. A 5-yard gain, and now they're set up first and goal.
We are at 1st and goal. We got Tyler Algier. Give me some good better block, and we are in for the touchdown. Tyler Algier, 2nd touchdown of the day. And we are rolling. We are rolling, man.
On first down, Tagovailoa. He's going deep for Brown.
Oh, come on.
But when you get a tight end who can run, you got to give him a shot to unlock
Come on, Tua. You really got to get that.
That one winds up incomplete.
Come on. There we go, Marquise Hollywood Brown. Marquise Hollywood Brown at tight end. Folks.
Here's Tagovailoa on first and 10, eluding the pressure right.
Marquise Hollywood Brown.
Just shy of the 20. It's a game of 34. So the big play gets him all the way down.
This is not fair, dude. We're just whooping on this team. Wide open. Wide open. That's like wide open there.
Here's Archie again on second down. And stopped a few yards short of the goal line at the 3.
Man,
148 yards rushing for
like I said, this guy was a great pickup on the offseason. We needed a running back, and we got and
measure of revenge there. He's had his way in this one, but this time they get him behind the line.
we couldn't get anything.
Second down.
Like I was saying, a huge pickup in the offseason was Tyler Jerry.
Here's Tua. This is caught.
That was a touchdown pass. Tua. Jonathan Mingo with another touchdown, and we are just whooping these guys where it hurts. And it looked like they threw another pick.
On the ground, it's Algier. Nothing much materializing there on the first down run. He'll get a couple, and that's it.
I like the call there because that was one to take time off the clock and get them closer to getting out of here with a W. In the mind of the play call,
I am just
all you
gonna go
want to hear
for
is tick, tick, tick.
Steps away to his left.
wide open. Jonathan Mingo wide open. Slam play. Roll out to the left. And that is game, folks. That is game.
They'll start on the ground.
And they are.
For one of the first times all night, he is going to go nowhere as they bury him behind the line.
3 seconds left. And the game is over. And we are in the Super Bowl, baby.
A 10-year veteran, there's no feeling like this.
We're in the Super Bowl. Yes, folks. I said it. Your Carolina Panthers are in the Super Bowl. And Tyler just getting some upgrades here. Our young linebacker is in his first year, not bad. Von Bell, our safety, is starting cover 85 overall middle linebacker. He is getting up there in age, so I might have to release him. But the running back is an 87 overall running back, and he is in his 4th year. So he's kind of young, so we can keep him around. So, well, there you have it. There you have it. We were in the conference championship game, and we are in the Super Bowl. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It looks like you enjoy these kind of videos on my channel, so I'll keep on still making them. But yeah, and like I always say,